Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this video is all about the 3 most important factors on YouTube. But before I proceed, I want you guys to subscribe and hit like to my channel because I will upload regularly for your YouTube growth. So very first thing is your YouTube title, because it will come under search engine. So you have to be choose a title which is very searchable these days and which is having high traffic and the chances, so that the chances of you getting views is higher. And the second important thing is thumbnail, because after title, the thing that most excites the user is the thumbnail. How you display, how you present your video, how you present your video idea in front of people. Use color, use your own face, use data, use metrics, and create something suspense, or create a question with it, or a comparison. So you can add these multiple things in your thumbnail. And the third most important factor is the average view duration or the average percentage. For example, if your video is 3 minutes length and and the people are watching 80% of it, so like the average person watch is the most important factor, because the more people will watch or retain in your video, so the more YouTube will circulate it to other user, and your video impressions will going to increase. So make sure that your first 10 second or first 20 second will be highly influential. And also in order to hook your viewers, in the first 10 seconds you can either create a suspense or tell what exactly you are going to explain and why people should watch it till the end. So please do these things, guys, and definitely YouTube will circulate, and maybe that video can go viral. So these are the 3 basic things. Stay tuned to my channel. I will upload very much more detailed video on each of these, and please subscribe and hit like. See you guys in the later video. Thank you.